Okay, so here we have the lovely Patrick Cohen with Our Cohen Kitchen, demonstrating the heated puree setting in the cooking blender. And we've got some family coming over tonight for dinner, so we're making spaghetti sauce. And we are hiding some extra goodies, some extra veggies into it. So, Pat, how are you doing this heated puree?
All right, so we have the PChef heated blender, whatever. Roma tomatoes, we had about 8 Roma tomatoes. Add in.
That you just big chunked?
Yep.
Nice.
2 carrots, which I just peeled and cut into pieces. And about 3 stems of basil.
Love, love, love basil.
About 8 garlic, because we love garlic.
Oh. Okay, and can I just take a moment about these one cup prep bowls? You can keep going, babe.
Oh.
But I love how easy these little prep bowls are. Okay, so this is Italian seasoning. Nice.
Some fresh parsley.
Ooh, I do love fresh herbs.
Sneak in some
We're
veggies,
gonna have to like pound that down in there. It is a 7-cup capacity, and we are filling it to the max.
So, some salt.
Yes.
A 1/4 cup of sugar.
Huh. I
Take
trust
some of the acidity of the
Chef Patrick because I love everything you make for me. So, oh, you're saying the sugar takes the acidity from the tomatoes?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I see.
And
All right. So now
we've also
I'm gonna zoom in on this part. Okay. So the lid is on, and you're putting it on what setting?
Heated puree.
Mm-hmm.
And pushing the button.
Oh. Okay, so you can see it's on heated puree. So right now it's saying it's at 81 degrees. And it's gonna blend a bit, but then it's gonna stop and it's gonna start heating up. It's rapidly going down. It wasn't at 81 degrees. It's gonna go up and heat it to, what did it say, 175 on this
For
one?
the first
or?
setting, yeah, then 220 on the second setting.
Yeah, so it's gonna blend and heat and blend and heat. So it's gonna actually cook our ingredients in our Deluxe cooking blender.
See?
Oh,
All
yeah.
that stuff in it was already
Oh yeah, perfect. Thanks, babe. What you doing, babe?
I'm going to taste it, make sure we got everything, all the right ingredients today. Waiting for the break. Do a little. Dang, that's good.
I love, love, love. And you don't have to stand over that hot stove and stir and cook.
Nope.
Come on now.
Nope. It's all good.
So you're digging the cooking blender?
Yeah, it's good.